Three lessons you must learn from the hard times. Are you right now thinking that you're really, hardest stage of your life? Probably it's because of the recent financial crisis, or maybe because you're not happy with the job, or maybe even in your relationships or friends. Now my question to you is that have you ever has asked yourself, is there any end to these hard times? Are you thinking that every time you think you achieve something, you find something else challenging in life? In this video, I'm going to share with you why even you actually feel something like that, and what are those lessons. If you learn from these hard times, you can become a champion. But before we go deep into it, Shoryal, hit it. I really want to ask one question to you guys. We'll break down a step-by-step process on Welcome back. You see, the biggest problem I see with majority of the people is they give the kind of meaning they want for hard times. If you look into the scientific study, hard times, you call it as when the life is not happening the way that you expect it to happen. Now you might think, is it really true? Think to yourself. Once you understand this fact, the rest of the whole life will become a lot more easier to really enjoy the life. Probably it could be because of your relation, right? Your boyfriend or girlfriend has started behaving totally different. Or probably your parents are not treating you the way that they used to. It could be even at workplace. The moment life around you, doesn't meet your expectations, you start thinking, oh my God, why is it really happening this way? Now my question to you is, if life is happening exactly the way you want, will you be happy? Absolutely not. As per Tony Robbins, the variety is one of your basic needs. If there is no variety, think about it. If you're actually wearing the same cloth for maybe 2, 3, 4 times, then you get bored already. You want to have some new variety clothes. It could be the same with the slippers or watch or any kind of accessories that you use. If you really understand, you're having two things. One is you really wanted the variety, at the same time you want the life to be happening as you expect, and both will never match because that's the conflicting thing that you have in your mind. That is the reason why you think you are in hard times and you don't know how to exit. So that awareness is the first thing. First thing for you to understand is have the clarity. Every single hard time, I call it as challenge, brings massive number of lessons. But in this video, we're going to share 3 at least the major lessons which you must take it. The moment you take it, instead of going into the victim's journey, you can go into the champion's journey. Number 1, challenges or hard times, that what you call as, is actually given to the people who are ready for the next level of life. Think about it. Look into the video game, right? The moment you play a video game, you are taken to the next level only when you are able to cross the first level challenges, or probably it could be to do with strategy which is tested, which is taking you to the next level of video game. My question to you is, are you really happy if you're taken to the next level of video game or not? And most obviously the answer is yes. If yes, why is it different in the real life? It is just that, again, as I said, your understanding or the perception around the hard times, because of all these movies, right? Hollywood movies and Bollywood movies, the perceptions are like, okay, when there are hard times, start crying. Oh, wait, if the same thing is happening in video games, you're okay. You're actually happy. Yeah, I made it to the level 2. You must learn this, understanding that every single time you get a challenge, you understand that you're ready for the next level. And this is a must and most important thing that you need to keep in mind, especially when you're in hard times. The second lesson, this is very important for you to actually grow within the hard times. So every single challenge, is always presented with a growth opportunity. How many times have you heard that people like Warren Buffett or Mark Zuckerberg, these billionaires, they always, in the middle of the crisis, they actually double or triple their net worth? How many times have you heard that? So every single, even now, at this moment, if you're open for the fact that yes, instead of saying as a victim mindset, oh my God, why these hard times to me, start focusing on what is that hidden growth opportunity that it is bringing. life will start going towards a constructive and growth zone instead of actually looking towards what is going wrong. See, it is like a puzzle. You need to actually kind of put all those things into place. The moment you do that, you actually will see, yes, this is exactly the growth opportunity that is presented by the current crisis. Let me focus on this particular thing instead of being a victim. And the lesson 3, this is very important, where your mindset really plays a very important role here. And this is where most of the people really fail, that they start actually getting into the victim mode. Now, I will tell you this, every single challenge or the hard time brings in a massive change, a drastic change. It could be in your relations, it could be in your friends, or it could be even the things that you have. The moment you understand this fact that change is natural, you can't really stop. Change is the only constant thing in the life. You must be asking, what should I do? Very simple. Be prepared and welcome the change, because somewhere deep down you have been asking this change. That is why the situation came to your life. So first of all, be absolutely calm and understand what is the change this particular hard time is actually presenting to me. Is this because some of my relations are really so crap, I'm supposed to change now? Or is it something that I'm supposed to move into an entrepreneurship from the job? Or is it something like this particular moment I'm supposed to change completely because I messed up last 1-2 years? Because in my life, I got stuck into one of my relation, with my cousin so deep down. I spent months thinking, oh my God, why is this happening? What kind of situation brought me here? Till the time I was thinking there was no solution. Moment I accepted the change and understood the change is actually happening because from the deep down I have been asking, I want to impact people, I want to help people from wherever I actually found easiest solution in my biggest challenges. I wanted to share. So probably that opportunity is presented to me because I was too busy with something else somewhere else. Believe me, the hard times or the challenges are testimony for your growth, testimony for what you have been asking. They're all presented to you so that you elevate yourself to the next level, become the champion that you always dreamt of, and get that kind of massive results in terms of money, beautiful relations, or anything else that you've been asking for. Do not reject them. Do not get into depression. That is a time when you really need to keep your eyes wide open and then keep your clarity, saying that yes, I have asked this. This is why this is presented. Let me work hard. I wish every one of you massive success through the hard times once you actually apply these 3 lessons and get them and use it to your strength. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, or maybe write your comment, any thoughts, views, any questions you may have. But if you're tuning into the channel for the first time, remember to click the subscriber button and also ring the bell next to it, because we upload one video every single day for you and business, careers, lifestyle and spirituality. I'll see you in the next video.